Okay, here we go mga bossing. Just a quick sharing lang from what I get from Walmart. Yeah, surprisingly, I found a comics sections and I found this. So, tara tingnan natin kung ano mga laman ng kanilang comics. So, they have two, I don't know why I don't get the other one, but they have two packages displayed there. So, but I only picked this one because this one looks amazing to me. I like it. X-Men, of course. X-Men Blue.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So, okay, so it comes with the bonus digital content. So that's really cool. Okay, so, oh, this one comes with another, okay, there's a backboard here. So it's still, yeah, what they say, like I think they, yeah, the sticker says 7 for $15 comics. So Marvel comics. So another packages here, which is the 3 great Marvel comics in one terrific price. I didn't know that they're selling something like this, like in a package deal. So got the Star Wars War of the Bounty Hunters. Okay, this one looks good. Conan the Barbarian. Of course, they reissued this one. The followers. So there's another X of Swords creation. So another X-Men universe here. Variant edition. Is something cool or what? Let's have a glimpse inside. Okay. So I only tried like what's inside this packages. So far it looks great. So yeah, surprisingly they package everything. So they have another one here with only 3 and another 3, and then they put a bonus one on the front. So okay, this one's kind of hard. Okay. A little bit careful here so we don't damage the edge of the comics. Okay, so there you go. This is an Alien number 4 and Power Pack Outlaw. So do you guys have like anything that you follow here? So these are all looks great. So shattered. So I just noticed all those numberings, right? So they are like the series that they numbered. So I'm not too sure about these comics. So if you guys can help me out on this one. So this is the number 1 and this like edition something. So I don't know if this makes also different. This is another variant edition. Like what series they making on this one, because they are all different titles, right? But looks like a series of something because of the way they number it. And we got, what do you call that? This one is a second printing, but number 1, X-Men Blue. So we got a, okay, so I think, I don't know why, but I guess I need to get another set of these comics at Walmart, and let's see if what's inside is totally different from the others. And I will also get the other one that I saw there, like another package, but it only contained like 5 for $15. That's why I picked this one, just to try it, right? So there you go, guys, mga bossing. Just sharing, just a quick share on this one. The comics I hold from Walmart. So let me know, guys, if you know anything about this, some trivia or good way to start knowledge on this one. Okay, there you go, mga bossing. Thank you for watching once again. See you in the next episode. Peace out. Boom.
Everything you promised me